Hey everybody, today is April 19th, this is Playbook Day, and of course this is Nate with PlaybookDaily.com, and I've got my playbook, just got my hands on it, just got home. Joe's already texting me to see if I have played with it yet, and obviously I haven't. This is all the fun little toys that we get to have. Beautiful, beautiful box, look at that thing, looks awesome, doesn't it? So, and then we also have some more writing here, and seals are unopened. So, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy knife here. Give me a second. Let's take a look here. There we go. Alright. So, I feel like there should be music or something playing. Oh, look at that. That is freaking gorgeous. Alright, so we have the playbook. Ooh. I feel lucky right now. I really do. Oh, let's get this little neoprene sleeve off of here. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? Take a look at this little neoprene sleeve for a second here. It is reversible. I actually kind of like the blue out. And I'll probably stick with the black with the BlackBerry on the outside. That's nicely there, isn't it? Alright. So what else do we get here? We get some little slide here. Kind of slide these all out of this. Let's see what we got. Little notes, fun stuff in different languages. Awesome. Thank you, Rim, for that little tidbit of information. Chuck that down here. Now we've got this little plastic piece, and look at that packaging. That looks awesome. So crisp. Use my knife again. I would say this is probably the easiest way to do this is just get your knife out. Oh. Let's see what we got here first. USB charger and connector for your computer, of course. And then we also have your normal wall outlet charger. This looks sweet. Chuck that there, and then these are all my notes. Yes, ooh, hey, a little screen cleaner. That is handy, always handy, especially with Rim products. Oh, and safety pack information. No, I'm just gonna tear that. I don't need that. And of course, different languages there. So that's all well and good. A playbook. Okay, so kind of move some of the junk out of the way. Here we have it. As you can kind of see, they show some gestures on here. Swipe up, swipe down. They also have this screen protector, which we shall remove. Now on other ones, they showed a little screen protector or protector here. I don't see that on mine. And it looks like, honestly, this little power button is still flush. Let's see if I can get her going. Oh, got a little red light. Maybe. See if I can get anything going here. So, alright folks, that's me, Nate with PlaybookDaily.com. Take it easy, guys.